Hello. It is Monday, the 26th of January 2014, somewhere around 6 a.m. in the morning. I am standing on a beautiful beach on the eastern coast of Australia near Moore Park Beach, Bundaberg. Over there are two of my friends, Michael and Julian, semi-professional photographers, far better than I am myself. I just spent an alright night in a tent that, a two-man tent that was far too small for us. Well, considering my friends are gigantors. Anyway, it's a beautiful morning. Yesterday we kayaked across the river, over a rock wall, into an estuary, and kayaked down an estuary for about an hour, and it was quite lovely. We ended up here. Today the plan is to either kayak that way or tie ourselves to the boats and walk that way to the mouth of the river, canoe across the mouth of the river, and then we'll end up back home where Michael's mum will pick us up. So, it's been quite a lovely trip. As you can see, it's a very, very beautiful locale. Alhamdulillah. Anyway, Hamza signing off.